Is Qwik just another web framework, or what's so special about it? In this video I will show you 4 reasons why I'm buying into Qwik. Maybe some of those also resonate with you. I first recognized Qwik about 6 months ago. The 2 main things that directly catched my attention were that first, it's really fast, and second, it's developed by Miško Havrej, the creator of Angular. Angular was a game changer back then, and I think Qwik will be one as well. Since then I consumed some content about this topic, and 2 weeks ago I made the decision to rewrite my blog in Qwik. By now I have a rough understanding of how it feels like to develop Qwik applications. And here are some reasons why I continue using Qwik. The first big feature that distinguishes Qwik from all the frameworks out there is the resumability concept. This is a completely different approach to server-side rendering. Current front-end frameworks are designed to do the rendering in the browser. Because this rendering takes some time, we have SSR libraries like Next, Nuxt and Angular Universal to pre-render the content on the server. In the browser, the whole application is rendered again and the DOM elements are hydrated. This basically means that event listeners are attached to the DOM elements. Qwik, on the other hand, directly starts with server-side rendering in mind. The application is starting on the server, then a snapshot is taken, and then the execution can continue in the browser. When snapshotting the application, the state is serialized and functions are replaced by function references, so-called QRLs. This is all placed in the HTML document, which is shipped to the browser. With the HTML comes a small runtime library, which will load the required functions on demand. This makes the bootstrapping process in the browser very quick. You could argue that there is no bootstrapping at all. Of course, if we would fetch every function on demand from the server, executing those functions would be very slow. But this is where the service worker comes into play. It prefetches all the functions available on this particular page that the browser just fetched. This way, the execution of the functions is quick again. Let's now have a look at the second reason why I'm switching to Qwik. This is true reactivity, also known as fine-grained reactivity. Signals recently have become very popular. They enable change detection on small portions of state. When a signal value changes, only the related parts of the template are re-rendered and the DOM is updated accordingly. Qwik at first glance looks very similar to React because it uses JSX, but in Qwik apps you will not see any use state hooks. You will only see use signal or use store. Stores are basically collections of multiple signals. This is not only relevant for high performance re-rendering, but it also enables the resumability. It allows Qwik to reflect state changes which are triggered by event handlers without having to re-render a whole component. The third reason why I'm switching to Qwik is JSX or TSX and MDX. Of course, it's a matter of taste which kind of templating language you prefer. I don't consider myself very opinionated on templating languages. What I like about it is the good IDE support and the popularity, so it's easy to onboard new developers into Qwik projects. Markdown is also very battle proven and it simplifies your life with static pages. Combined with a file-based router, it's easy to pick between those 2 formats. Speaking of routing, the file-based routing is my 4th reason why I'm switching to Qwik. Routing in Qwik is very straightforward, but also flexible. You can nest and reference random layouts, for example. And defining named path parameters is as easy as placing your folder name in brackets. By now, I don't see that anything is missing to build large-scale applications. Here's a little bonus reason. There is a nice little feature baked into the dev mode of Qwik. You can Alt or Option click on any element in the browser and it will take you to the correct spot in your template within your IDE. I haven't seen this feature before and it works really well. I'm using VS Code, I don't know whether it works in other IDEs. This feature is very enjoyable for maintenance of your components and it can also help onboarding other team members. In summary, I think Qwik is ready to use. Whether you want to build a lean website or a full-blown application, Qwik enables you to do so. As mentioned before, I'm rewriting my blog in Qwik. Two other parts of the technology stack are Notion as a CMS and Bun as a web server. I will keep you up to date how it is working out for me, so if you are interested, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. And if you are interested in one of those topics particularly, please leave a comment below. In this sense, never stop learning and see you in the next video.